Today's class I am going to teach about commutative law. So previous video we discussed the basic laws, identity law, idempotent law, complement law, negation law, then annulment law. So these things we discussed in previous video. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So what is commutative law? So commutative law state A dot B equal to B dot A. So it's the first law. Second law, A plus B equal to B plus A. So commutative law states changing the input variable. So changing the sequence of input variable that not affect the result. So it's called as the commutative law. So first law is A dot B equal to B dot A. Second law is A plus B equal to B plus A. So now I draw the graphical representation of law 1 and law 2. So A dot B, it's a product operation. So it's AND gate. AND gate input is A dot B, sorry A. Another input is B. So output of the AND gate is A dot B. So A dot B equal to B dot A. So here also we can use one AND gate. Here changing the sequence of input. So first diagram A, B is the input variable. So second diagram B, A. So B, A. The output is B dot A. Then come to second law, A plus B equal to B plus A. So here operator is plus. So plus represent OR. So OR operation, OR gate. So A plus B, input is A and B, output of OR gate is A plus B. So A plus B equal to B plus A. Here just change the sequence of input B and A. So B plus A. So first write the law A dot B equal to B dot A. Then second law is A plus B equal to B plus A. Then draw the graphical representation of A dot B and B dot A plus B and B plus A. So now I write the truth table to verify the result. So both the results are equal or is there any changes? Just verify with the help of truth table. Here input variable is 2 variables. So these 2 variables making 4 combinations of input A and B. So A and B is the input variable. So it making 4 combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So first I take this diagram. So A dot B and B dot A. So A dot B, then B dot A. So just taking the product operation of these 2 variables, 0 dot 0 output is 0. So B dot A, so 0 dot 0 output is 0. So 0 dot 1 1, B dot A 1 dot 0, sorry here 0, 1 dot 0 0. Then 1 dot 0 output is 0, 0 dot 1 output is 0. So 1 dot 1 1, so here 1. So there is no changes in this output. So A dot B equal to B dot A. So only changing the sequence of input variable, but it not affect the result. Both the variables may create the same result. Then come to OR operation. So A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B, B plus A. So A value is 0, B value is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So then come to B plus A. So B value is 0, A value is 0. So 0 plus 0, output is 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So in this case also the sequence of the variable is changed, but it produces the same output. A plus B equal to B plus A. Both are same. So it's a commutative law. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos.